Here's my quick review of the OXO 3-piece mixing bowl set. So one thing I really like about this set is not only the different colors, you get a yellow, a green, and a blue, not just your boring old standard white, but they're 3 different sizes, which means you can use them for a variety of different things. Your standard mixing bowl size is the green size. This can be used for making any sort of batter, really mixing anything. And if you just need something a little smaller, the blue one is perfect. I love using these when I'm making chocolate chip cookies because I can put all the ingredients in the big one and then some of the ingredients in the small one. And then when it's time to mix them all together, it makes it really simple to just get everything from here right into here. I love how they have these really nice grips. It makes it really easy to, when you're mixing things, to hold it here, and then you have a little pour spout here. Overall, the design of these just makes baking and cooking with them so simple. I've had these for over 8 years now and they are still going strong. I use these every single week and you can see just how great of condition they're still in after 8 years. Overall, I highly recommend you get yourself a set of these. These are an essential for any kitchen and you'll have a variety of sizes no matter what you need to cook. Highly recommend these.